Hello friends, welcome to Academic Gyan Ganga. We are study fluid machinery MCQ. First question, according to Archimedes' principle, if a body is immersed partially or fully in a fluid, then the buoyancy force is space, the weight of fluid displaced by the body. Option A equal to, option B less than, option C more than, option D unpredictable. Here right answer is option A, equal to. Next question, what is the correct formula for absolute pressure? Here right answer option D. P absolute is equal to P atmospheric plus P gauge. Here P denoted pressure, means absolute pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressure. Next question, 1 liter of a certain fluid weight 8 Newton. What is its specific volume? Here right answer option D, 1.23 into 10 to power minus 3 meter cube per kg. Next question, when a liquid said to be not in a boiling or vaporized state. Option A, if the pressure on liquid is equal to its vapor pressure. Option B, if the pressure on liquid is less than its vapor pressure. Option C, if the pressure on liquid is more than its vapor pressure. Option D, unpredictable. Here right answer is option C. If the pressure on liquid is more than its vapor pressure, then a liquid said to be not in a boiling or vaporized state. Next question, bulk modulus is the ratio of. Here right answer is option C, compressive stress to volumetric strain. Bulk modulus is the ratio of compressive stress to volumetric strain. Next question, which type of body is an aerofoil? Option A, streamline body. Option B, wave body. Option C, bulk body. Option D, induced body. Here right answer is option A, streamline body. Next question, the body whose surface does not coincide with the streamline in place in a flow is called as. Here right answer option C, bulk body. Next question, the sum of components of shear forces in the direction of flow of fluid is called as. Option A, shear drag. Option B, friction drag. Option C, skin drag. Option D, all of the above. Here right answer is option D, all of the above. Shear drag, friction drag, skin drag. Next question, the component of the total force exerted by fluid on a body in the direction parallel to the direction of motion is called as. Option A, lift. Option B, drag. Option C, both A and B, and option D, none of the above. Here right answer is option B, drag. Next question, which property of the fluid offer resistance to deformation under the action of shear force? Option A, density. Option B, viscosity. Option C, permeability. Option D, specific gravity. Right answer is option B, viscosity. Next question, the specific weight of the fluid depends upon. Option A, gravitational acceleration. Option B, mass density of the fluid. Option C, both A and B, and option D, none of the above. Right answer option C, both A and B, gravitational acceleration, mass density of the fluid. Next question, intermolecular cohesive force is the fluids is. Here right answer is option A, less than that of the solid. Next question, which branch of fluid mechanics deals with translation, rotation and deformation of the fluid element without considering the force and energy causing such motion is called as? Here right answer is option B, fluid kinematics. Next question, shear stress in static fluid is? Here right answer option A, always 0. Next question, the mass per unit volume of a liquid at a standard temperature and pressure is called? Option A, specific weight. Option C, specific. Option B, mass density. Option C, specific gravity. Option D, none of these. So right answer is option B, mass density. यहाँ पे मास पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम, सो हियर मास डेंसिटी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द वेट पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए लिक्विड एट ए स्टैंडर्ड टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर इज कॉल्ड? हियर द वेट पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम, सो हो जाएगा स्पेसिफिक वेट. ऑप्शन ए इज राइट. एंड अबव क्वेश्चन मास पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the volume per unit mass of a liquid is called specific volume. It is true or false? So it is true. Volume per unit mass of a liquid is called specific volume. Next question, the specific gravity has no unit. Option A true, option B false. So option B is true. Specific gravity has no unit. ये false है. Next question, the specific gravity of water is taken as? Option A 0.001, option B 0.01, option C 0.1, option D 1. Here right answer is option D 1. Specific gravity of water is taken as 1. Next question, the force per unit length is the unit of? Option A surface tension, option B compressibility, option C capillarity, option D viscosity. Right answer is option A surface tension. Force per unit length is the unit of surface tension. Next question, kinematic viscosity is the product of dynamic viscosity and the density of the liquid. It is true or false? So option B is correct, false. Next question, the unit of surface tension is Newton. यहाँ पे wrong हो गया है. The unit of surface tension is option A Newton per meter, option B Newton per meter square, option C Newton per meter cube and option D Newton meter. So here right answer is option A Newton per meter. Unit of surface tension is Newton per meter. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe.